this off? How do I turn this off?
Faid, shut the
Let's go.
No!
Guys, it's only 9:20, not even like 9.
Oh my god, help.
Why
Oh
do
my
you just-
god. Oh,
Where's
there's
my Segway?
there's a.
Oh my god.
Yeah, just follow me, guys.
Okay.
If you're ready, I hope.
Okay.
Just hop on Fortnite and let's go.
Go. I'm getting some water. One sec.
Oh, no, I'm not fine.
Guys,
What are you trying to perform? Are you a guns? Oh, there's some logs.
okay,
Okay.
guys, I have some water. Who is hitting me? What the fuck? I'm getting water.
You fuck! No, I hate you. I hate you.
Where do we go?
To the hill, to the ebb.
Oh, are you there? Oh, we can drive now.
I will just watch you die.
I'm on the... Willow,
Where did
I
you get
wonder
this No!
Just let me drive.
I don't know how to get out.
G.
Get on, guys. Get on. Get on, mate.
I
Get
can't.
on, all of you, you freaking bastards.
I'm on.
Do you see my face? I'm looking straight, right?
Yes.
Oh shit, this is...
Oh my god,
Where's the friction, guys?
Dad jokes
Hey,
are
was
never
geht
funny.
gerade ab?
Kirill, what are you saying?
I don't know what's going on, but I'm eating chips, and
I didn't hear anything because of Bogdan.
well, I'm eating chips. Okay, so I'm like satisfied.
Fucking bad fuck.
Look at my
please don't.
perspective.
Willow,
Oh,
are
shit.
you the one fucking driving?
No.
Who is driving?
What's happening, guys?
Don't drink and drive, kids.
Wait, what is happening? Who is driving?
We're going to the top. Okay, let's just go off this thing. How do you?
Oh my god.
Wait, do you want to get? Who is still
happening,
sitting in? You need to get off.
You go off.
Kirill,
G.
by pressing G, the G,
G.
spot. Yeah,
I did
exactly.
it. Okay.
Let's go. Let's go. What the fuck?
Okay.
Okay, you're on it. Okay, nice. I'm on it as well.
Okay.
Oh no! No, it's going on.
Guys, wait.
Guys.
I need
Guys.
to. Guys, wait.
Wait, what is it? What is it?
I need to get on the thing. You fucking retard.
Wait for me.
We're stuck, mate. We're fucking stuck.
I'm on it.
Yeah.
There we go. I'm
Oh
on it.
no! Get on! Get on! Get on! Oh my god! Get on!
Oh,
Get
What are we
on!
doing?
Are you all on it? Are you all on it?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
we need to go a bit more down.
What the fuck is going on about?
Digga,
Digga, was machen wir gerade?
Digga. I don't understand a single thing. Oh, that's a good spot for a base. What?
Und dann noch,
fuck you. Bye.
Guys, why don't we
wait.
live down here?
Where?
There's a nice little pond right here in the middle. On the right here.
On the map?
Look.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a very nice place. So
Okay. Who is building?
let's just build it
Yeah.
circular.
Why are you building it straight then?
I changed my mind.
hey, you know.
I'm a. Please, that's not how you build a wall.
Do you see the moose head that I'm holding? Look. Moo.
Yes, there's light. No.
Yeah, because we fucking
Oh, shit.
wasted 10 hours of time.
Please go away. Oh,
I'm
what are you
stuck.
doing to the car? Wait, are you stuck in it?
I'm stuck. You crashed into me and I got stuck. I'm floating.
Can you hear the music?
I'm flying, yeah.
Yeah, I'm flying into a tree now. I fell down. I fell down. I hear the music from out there. Wait,
What?
Wait, guys, don't move from the spot. I'm gonna get some water, okay?
We're not gonna let you go, Kirill.
He has a wireless headset, you can hear.
Oh,
I have indeed a wireless headset, you f***ing pieces of
why you have to be mad? It's only game. Okay, yeah, Kirill, you need to get the other one. It's right here, mate.
Adidas кроссовки.
My lung feels better now.
Fucking Mexican retard.
She's coming in with the fucking drip.
Ooh, he's changing.
Oh, oh my. Oh, no, no. Okay.
Help me! Help me! My scooter! Guys! I'm gonna fall. I'm falling.
Come, Kirill, come. No. Shit, we need to fondle it out of the water. Yeah, almost.
I've got this one. I've got the other one. Guys, I've got it.
So we just use this.
Where are we going?
God.
Just around the island, so always left. Yeah, around the... Oh shit. You're drifting it.
Why are you laughing?
Because of your driving skill. Guys, I think women can drive.
We're on a fucking tilt. What?
We're like hitting every single thing.
I can't see anything. I'm stuck.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my god.
No, let me drive.
Let me in then.
Get in, mate.
Okay.
Yeah, fine
What
there,
are
man.
these ads on the radio?
My name is Gustav.
Oh. Well, I mean, that checks out. What? Fuck.
See, you're shit too.